Hello everyone, this is Ryan here with Soffront, and we're here to showcase our CRM software. Let's start again. Hello everybody, this is Ryan with Soffront, and I am here to showcase our CRM software. You can access our CRM by going through the website and signing up for a 30-day trial or signing up for our professional level, which I'll be showing you today. So really quickly, once you sign in and you sign up, this is what you'll see, our sales section over here. On the left-hand side, you'll see calendar tasks, your accounts, your contacts, opportunities, a dashboard, reporting, and email sales templates here. So it's pretty easy. Once you click on accounts, you'll see you have your various groups and filters. So you can find any leads you're looking for by searching up here or going into a particular group and finding a lead that way. So for example, if I click on new leads and I decide that I want to reach out to Susan Smith, I can click on Susan's account. And I have all of the notes, any past correspondence here as far as emails that have gone to her or phone calls made, as long as they are logged, will be found here. Additional contacts, opportunities, and so forth. If I want to set an appointment or send her a task, for example, I can go ahead and create a task, and I should say to send myself a task to remind myself to call Susan. So I can just click on here and put in call Susan, and let's say I want to set that up for this Friday at 4:15 p.m. I can set an email reminder and save it. And there's that task to call Susan on Valentine's Day, of all days. So here's the information on Susan. Here's her account. Here's her workflow. I can see what's going on here as far as where I am with her, if she's a lead, a prospect, an opportunity, or a customer. And of course, this can be customized as well. So we can close this out. If I want to go to calendar and tasks, all I got to do is go here. I can click on calendar and task. Let's say I want to see a future task like the one I set up earlier. I can just go to future here, and I can see that task I set for Susan on February 14th showing up right here. And to access any marketing add-ons you've purchased with the CRM, which are great, we have email marketing, a way to manage your social media here, your reputation management, lead capture forms and landing pages can be found here. And again, you can still access your calendar and tasks over here in this view. Anyway, this is just a quick rundown. I hope this was helpful for everybody who watched it. If you want more information or you'd like a demo or someone to talk to more about our software, you can simply go to our website, soffront.com, call us or send an email, and we'd be happy to help you out. Again, thank you for watching, and we hope to talk to you soon.